Hey food lovers! Welcome back to Ancient Empty Go, where we explore the rich and diverse world of culinary traditions. Today, we're going on an exciting journey through rice. Yes, rice, one of the most versatile ingredients in the world. From spicy to sweet, savory to tangy, I'm going to take you through 9 unique rice recipes from across the globe. So, let's dive right in.
Our first stop is Hyderabad, India, known for its legendary Hyderabadi Biryani. This dish is a fragrant mix of basmati rice, tender marinated meat, and a medley of spices. We start by marinating chicken in yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and biryani spices. While the chicken absorbs the flavors, we parboil the basmati rice with whole spices. In a heavy-bottomed pot, we layer the partially cooked rice over the marinated chicken, seal it tightly, and let it cook on low heat. The result? A mouth-watering aromatic biryani that's sure to impress.
Next, we travel to the beautiful valleys of Kashmir for a taste of Kashmiri Pulao. This pulao is a delightful blend of sweet and savory, with basmati rice cooked in saffron-infused water, along with dried fruits and nuts. Start by frying cashews, almonds, and raisins in ghee until golden. In the same pan, sauté basmati rice with a pinch of saffron, cinnamon, and bay leaves. Add water, cook until the rice is done, and then mix in the fried nuts and dried fruits. Serve this fragrant pulao with a simple curry or enjoy it on its own.
Now, let's keep things simple yet flavorful with Jeera Rice, a beloved North Indian side dish. To make this, we first heat some ghee in a pan and add cumin seeds, allowing them to crackle and release their earthy aroma. Then, we add pre-cooked basmati rice and gently toss it until the rice is evenly coated with the cumin-infused ghee. A pinch of salt, and it's ready to serve. Jeera rice pairs perfectly with rich curries or dal.
We're heading south for a taste of Karnataka's Bisi Bele Bath, a hearty, flavorful dish that's a South Indian twist on khichdi. Begin by cooking rice and lentils together until soft. In a pan, sauté a mix of vegetables like carrots, peas, and beans with a special Bisi Bele Bath powder. Add tamarind paste, jaggery, and cooked rice-lentil mix. Simmer until everything is well blended, and finish with a tempering of mustard seeds, curry leaves, and cashews. This dish is a wholesome meal in itself.
Staying in the south, let's make coconut rice, a fragrant, tropical delight from Tamil Nadu. Start by grating fresh coconut and setting it aside. In a pan, heat oil and add mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal, and curry leaves. Once they splutter, add the grated coconut and sauté until lightly golden. Mix in cooked rice, a pinch of salt, and you're done. The coconut adds a rich, creamy texture to the rice, making it a perfect accompaniment to spicy curries.
Now, we're traveling to Thailand for a sweet treat: mango sticky rice. This popular dessert is made with glutinous rice, fresh mangoes, and coconut cream. First, soak the sticky rice for a few hours, then steam it until tender. In a saucepan, warm up coconut cream with sugar and a pinch of salt. Pour this over the cooked sticky rice, mixing until the rice absorbs the sweet, creamy goodness. Serve with slices of ripe mango and a drizzle of more coconut cream on top.
Let's head back to South India for our next dish, appam, a soft and fluffy rice pancake with crispy edges, popular in Kerala. The batter for appam is made from fermented rice and coconut milk. After fermenting overnight, the batter is poured into a special appam pan, swirled around to create a thin edge, and cooked until the center is soft and spongy. Serve appam with a coconut-based stew or curry for a delightful meal. Next, we explore a Middle Eastern favorite, dolma, where grape leaves are stuffed with a mix of rice, herbs, and sometimes meat. To make this vegetarian version, mix cooked rice with chopped parsley, mint, dill, onions, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Place a spoonful of this mixture on a grape leaf, fold it tightly, and arrange the stuffed leaves in a pot. Add water and lemon juice, then simmer until tender. Dolma is usually served as an appetizer or a light main dish. Our final recipe is a sweet ending, kheer, a traditional Indian rice pudding. To make kheer, start by simmering basmati rice in full-fat milk until the rice is soft and the milk thickens. Add sugar, cardamom powder and a handful of nuts like almonds and pistachios. Simmer until the kheer reaches a creamy consistency, then serve warm or chilled. It's a comforting dessert that's perfect for any occasion. And there you have it, 9 unique rice recipes from around the world. Whether you're in the mood for something savory, sweet, simple, or elaborate, there's a rice dish for every palate. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to your channel name for more delicious recipes. Which rice dish will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!